surprisingly, there's a huge crowd for the meeting of these two sides.
And the away team have gone with this formation.
So, the referee gets this match underway.
Both teams more than capable of winning it. Which way is it going to go?
It's Messi with the ball. Volleyed on. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down.
Good save by the goalkeeper.
Let's take another look at that wonderful save. And here's a chance. Alisson, fantastic stop. Let's see that one again.
And that's into the box. The goalkeeper eases the pressure.
Now it's Griezmann. Nifty bit of footwork there. And that will take the pressure off. Neymar.
And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? Shoots. And this is a world-class finish.
Let's take another look at that.
Well, that wasn't in the script. The underdogs are ahead.
Now it's Griezmann. Oh, that's well played. Mbappe. Now De Bruyne. They're appealing, but he's onside.
And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Oh, it's hit the post.
Three indicates a corner kick. Confident pass. Long ball then. That will be the goalkeeper's ball then. Here's Ronaldo. Oh, wonderful trickery here. What a well-timed tackle. They've won the ball back again. Great chance here. He got a good hand behind that. I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. Alisson, fantastic stop. The replay will give us a closer look. And that's it for now. Half time. Brought on a few substitutes for the second half. It's 1-0. The losing team have the next 45 minutes to turn things around. Oh, what a pass. Gets the header in. He got a good hand behind that. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Caught the defence sleeping here. Gets the shot in. Extraordinary conviction. Well, he decided to try his luck from a long way out there, but he connected so sweetly, and the goalkeeper didn't have a prayer. It's 2-0 now. He's knocked it long. Buffon's got it. Away by Chiellini. They have the ball again. Oh, the player boots it away. Here's Mane. Here's Varane. It's Ronaldo.
Shoots. Good block there.
Goalkeeper rolls it out. He's headed the ball forward.
That's good link up. Great chance here.
He's scored a brace. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. It's 3-0 now. Here's Van Dijk. Well intercepted. And it's cleared by Varane. Salah. It's going to be a drop ball. Oh, great piece of defending by Bonucci. Here's Ronaldo. Cleared upfield. And the referee calls time on this exhibition game. I wonder what the managers learned about their squads.